so saith the book, saw their great sickness atoll, that all their hope yet in Louisa, na mikte ut of his bed arisa, and tresor he nada namor, and half a mark of all the store. Will Josian was in Hermonia, they had a learned of minstrelsy, upon a fiddle of art apply, stompest notice garibus sky, though she could no better rate, but into the book I non she and both the fiddlers so saith the talent, for 30 pounders of ornaments strolling, and all of the wheel of thoughts of their life, Josiah never rich a die. Yet about the city within, her sustenance for to win, whose Josiah was in such a distress, will saw their life